Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to APlusTutorials. If you've recently started your BS Computer Science degree or you're just about to begin, first of all, congratulations. This is an exciting time but also a bit overwhelming. I remember when I was in my first semester, I had so many questions. What should I learn first? Should I start freelancing? Is C++ enough? Should I switch to Python? There's so much advice out there that it gets confusing. That's why in this video, I'm going to share 5 essential skills that every CS student should focus on from day one. These skills will help you build a strong foundation and make your entire journey much smoother. Skill number 1, learn programming logic, not just syntax. It doesn't matter whether you're learning C++, Python, or Java, what really matters is your understanding of logic. Focus on how loops work, how to use conditions properly, how arrays store data, and how functions are used to organize code. I still remember when I wrote my first calculator in C++. It wasn't perfect, but that one program taught me more than any lecture. Once your logic becomes strong, switching languages becomes very easy. Skill number 2, problem solving. Try to solve at least one coding question every day. Start with simple problems like reversing a number, checking for prime, or calculating factorial. Use websites like HackerRank or LeetCode. Even 15 minutes a day can make a huge difference. This habit prepares you early for data structures, technical interviews, and real-world problem solving. Skill number 3, logic design basics. Many students ignore subjects like digital logic design or number systems, thinking they're boring or unnecessary. But trust me, these concepts are the foundation of how computers actually work. Later, when you study computer architecture, assembly language, or operating systems, you'll see how important these early topics were. So don't just aim to pass, aim to understand. Skill number 4, touch typing and GitHub. Typing fast helps you code efficiently, especially during exams and lab work. You can practice using free tools. Also, create a GitHub account from the beginning. Start uploading your assignments and small programs. Over time, this will turn into your portfolio, something you can show in internships or job interviews. Skill number 5, work on your communication and self-learning skills. You don't need perfect English, but learn to express your ideas clearly. And don't depend only on lectures. Learn from YouTube and coding websites. Follow channels like BroCode, NISO Academy, and yes, APlusTutorials, where we try to simplify things for you. Now, if you focus on just these 5 skills in your first semester, you'll already be ahead of most students. Just stay consistent, and by the end of your first year, you'll be surprised how far you've come. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. Allah Hafiz.